Welcome to our tutorial on the Fix Float function. Let's begin by zooming to fit. The letter F in front of the lid indicates that this component is fixed in space. Let's say if we want to replace this option and use a regular mate, we can right-click and select Float. Now we see that all the components have some degree of freedom. Let's say if I put the lid in a new position and I want to fix it, I would simply right-click and select Fix. If I try to move the lid now, I get a warning. The component is fixed and can't be moved. I'll right-click again and select Float. Now let's expand the lid branch of our tree. Control-select the front plane of the assembly and the front plane of the lid. And let's activate the mate function. Accept. Let's cancel. Again, let's control-select the top plane of the assembly and the top plane of the lid component. Activate the mate tool. Accept. Let's do the last one. Right plane in the assembly and right plane of the lid. Let's choose a coincident relationship. Accept and cancel. Let's zoom to fit. We've replaced the Fix function with mates. We see them here, coincidence 10, 11, and 12. Another thing I want to point out, washers 1 and 7 as well as the seal are mated to the lid. That's why they follow along. Washers 3 and 5 follow the lid because of the way they were inserted using the linear pattern feature. Washers 8 and 9 were inserted using the mirror components feature. They were not mated to the lid, hence they don't follow the lid. Let's click Rebuild, and as you see, they stay in the place where I just moved them with my mouse. Let's mate this washer. Control-select these edges and click Mate. Accept and cancel. One more thing, you still see a minus sign in front of this feature, which indicates that washer 9 has some freedom of movement. Although when I try, I'm not able to drag the washer with my mouse. We do see that the rebuild icon is active. So where is the freedom? Well, this washer can rotate around its axis. It's not an issue in our model, but let's say if I did want to fix it, we would need to add one more mate to washer 9. Let's expand washer 9's branch. I'm going to select the front plane and control-select the front plane of the assembly. Activate the mate tool. Under mate type, select parallel and click OK. Cancel. Now the minus sign has disappeared. If I try to drag the washer now, the update symbol doesn't appear. And this concludes our tutorial on fixing and floating.